I haven't been here for ages, and I decided to introduce myself again. My name is Sylvia. I'm animal communicator and holistic animal and human healer, Reiki master, and I'm at the moment in my beloved forest. That's my second home, if not the first. And as I've been called to Polish animals for the last 2 years, now I just thought that it's time to come back to communicate about all of that magic is happening between you and your beloved pet in English. So there I am here, and I am hosting group healing sessions once a month, and that will be on every last Tuesday of the month. And I'm encouraging you to take part in those. I need only your pet's name, picture, and the place where you are in the world. And we are gathering online on Zoom at a certain time. I think I will leave like in Polish way 8 p.m. UK time, and that's group healing session. Gathering you in front of the screen with your pets or with their pictures, and I'm giving you some healing session, and then we talk. I will post some videos how it works in Polish community, and I'm really hopefully it will work out in English community for English talking understanding pets owners. So yes, on the last Tuesday of each month, 8 p.m. UK time, we are gathering on Zoom, and I need only picture, name, and the place of your pet to contribute in those free healing sessions. I am also communicator, and this skill helps me a lot to heal quicker and with precision. Each animal, doesn't matter if it's health problems or behavioral problems, because each animal talks to me. They tell me what's going on with them, showing exactly organ which is hurt, achy, or they mentioning to me what's happening, why they behave that way. And you must know that every animal, all of your pets, they come to us with certain mission, with certain task, to show us with their health issues or behavioral issues what is to heal in ourselves. So this is really beautiful journey if you will be very conscious and mindful living with your pet. I'm encouraging you to stop and to think and to check why your cat is making its toilet outside the litter box, or it started to be aggressive suddenly, or why your horse being really gentle and good till now suddenly showing his different side, his emotional, getting fearful. Maybe your dog is aggressive, and we know that after that, under each aggression, it's hidden some anxiety, some deeper emotion. So instead of going at once to the vet or to the trainer, to the behaviorist, just stop and think what your pet wants to tell you with its behavior or health issues. So I think I will leave it like this. I will leave you with this now, and I will make a comment to this video to leave my email address. It's spiritualbeautyandbliss @gmail.com, and you can send your pets' names, photos and place to take part in free healing session on Zoom every last Tuesday of the month. I will just tell you that I've been offering those 3 sessions for 16 months now for Polish community, and I just thought it's time to share my skills and my heart, first of all, to other animals. Lots of love.